shit going platinum.
Yo people, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy. We thank God for the day. I hope you guys can hear me. It's mad windy out here, but yeah man, thank God for the day. Today is a great day. So I'm here at AutoLuxe Customs, as you can see, because I'm getting some mods for the car. As you can see, my boy is here looking beautiful as always. Before I tell you guys, I want you guys to guess what mods do you think I'm getting. Do you think I'm getting some side skirts done? Do you think I'm getting some tints done? Do you think I'm gonna black out the headlights? Is it headlights? Rear lights, not headlights. Headlights are the front ones. I'm tripping. Do you think I'm gonna debadge the C220? Do you think I'm gonna black it out? Or do you think I'm gonna black out the badge? I want you guys to let me know what you think I'm gonna do to the car. And we go from there, man. They're located in Bradford, Mount Street. Come check these guys out, real cool people. So the car's in the unit now. Look at that blue, man. The blue just looks beautiful. If you haven't clocked already, I'm gonna be getting tints to the car. So as you can see, that the black ones, the back ones are already tinted somewhat. So I'm gonna get the fronts tinted as well. And I just think it's gonna bring out the car a lot more. I think it's gonna have a lot more presence. It's gonna go with like the mirror caps here, just having everything tinted. Obviously no face, no case. These are all the different colors that you can get. I'm not gonna get anything too crazy, so I plan just to put limos on the back and then just get the maximum legal limit on the front. I don't want the police to come and rip off the front one, so I'm gonna get them the legal limit. This is the main man.
For the front, my recommend is 50% for your car.
50%, okay.
Yeah, it's the best, 50%. And your back is already tinted with the factory. But this is not especially like a tint.
Yeah.
Because it's just a color in it.
Yeah.
We have some specialists in the tint field.
Yeah.
That's what I recommend is a 20% on the back.
Okay.
It's coming proper dark.
Yeah.
From outside, but is a light from inside. You can see it through the mirror in the night, foggy situation. Yeah.
If you go any lower than 50%, then that's when you have problems. Yeah, that's problems.
Yeah,
okay.
50%.
Yeah. So what percentage would you say that it is now? Because it has a little bit of a tint now.
At the moment it's 70%.
Yeah, you have to make sure that you can see clearly.
Very clearly.
Yeah. That makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah. So as you can see, guys, everything's legal. Want to do it legal just to, prevent any issues. Obviously, these things do cost money, so you don't want police to come and just rip off the tints, and then, that's your money gone. Do you know what I mean? And then obviously safety as well. So yeah, man. So I'm gonna let Boss Man crack on with it. I might show you like little glimpses throughout the stages, but yeah, guys. The car is done, guys. We're just taking it outside just to see how it looks in the light. We haven't done the front ones, we just did like the sides. Obviously you can see on the side here, and we did the back as well. You can't see nothing in the back. and obviously in the rear you can't see nothing. But we're gonna go outside and see how it looks. There's still a little bit of visibility, but it's a lot less than where it was from factory. The back is fully tinted out, can't see nothing from the back. Again, rear window, can't see nothing, fully blacked out. Love it, man. I love it, I love it. Again, sides 50%. I like it, man. I like it. Let me know what you guys think as well in the comments. Do you feel like should have gone darker on the sides? And if some of you say yes, then I know that you guys don't rate me. Also, I didn't do the windscreen. Probably gonna do that at some point. Right now, that's looking a bit plain compared to the rest of the car. But yeah, man, do you guys like the new look or do you prefer the old one? I think personally, this looks proper now, man. This looks like, yeah, proper things, man. Shout out to the guys at AutoLuxe. Shout out to Naveed over there. You can see him, shout out to him, man, did a great job. Hey, this guy was inside the car, he was doing all sorts. Appreciate you, my brother. Yo, people, so I'm gonna close the video there. Hope you liking the new look of the car, the tints and everything. But anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new uploads, and your boy is gone.